How to use the voice record tool for Filmora editor app and make changes to your recorded voice with the voice effect feature. Now let's get started. So when you're ready to add your voice recording, you'll need to go to the part that says audio right here. And once you're in this section here, you'll notice these different set of tools will appear and you'll see the part that says record, which is this here. And of course, be sure to have the latest update to get access to all the latest tools. So when you tap here one time, this is going to show up for you. And as you tap on it one time, it's going to start recording, and everything I'm saying right now is actually being recorded, and you'll press stop. Now from here, you can go to the voice effect and change your voice, or press the check mark and just go back and play that recorded piece. You'll see it says record 1, and if you did more than 1, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it continues going on. So let's just say you came away from this area here and you want to come back now and edit that voice that you just recorded. You can first play it to hear it. I'm going to start recording, and everything I'm saying right now is... And when you tap on it one time here, you'll see these options show up, and tapping on it a second time will give you a different set of options. So tapping on it once will give you one set of tools, and a second time will give you another set of tools. Here now is where you'll see the voice effect as well as the volume. So first, maybe the sound is too loud and you want to have it maybe reduced a little bit. You'll have to pull or push it or drag it left and right to adjust the volume. It'll tell you how much the volume is at the moment right here in the middle. So you press your check mark here, and now I want to go about and changing the voice of my recorded voice here. So you go to voice effect, and you can choose from one of these here. These are all free.
It's going to start recording, and everything I'm saying right. It's going to start recording. It's going to start recording.
It's going to start recording.
It's going to start recording. It's going to start recording. And once you've made your selection here, you can press the check mark and it will be set as that. So that's how you would use the record tool and voice effect when you are recording your voice using the Filmora editor app. Like and sub.